Kim Bryant from Bryant Logging, Managing Director. Yeah, so Bryant Logging's been operating for 45 years. 11 crews, a mixture of hauler crews and ground base. Currently we've got 19 Volvos, all excavators, one wheel loader. On the skid site there currently is the Waratah, processing, excavator, loading, fleeting logs, and then we've got the Volvo fouling machine and the tether machine up the top here. Okay, so typically, even as long as 5 years ago, this would have been done by a hauler crew. So these machines have sort of revolutionised industry somewhat. Less infrastructure, getting a man off the hill without a chainsaw, and the gains for the forest company is reduced costs. So that's a tether machine. So what that's designed to do is just help the machine up and down the hill. So when it loses traction, it just gives that bit of assistance.
If you're on this kind of terrain, then you're probably going to need one. It speeds things up, it makes things safer for the operator and actually a lot more comfortable for the operator. As far as seeing more tonnage put out, then yeah, definitely see more tonnage put out by the operator, and in a safer manner too.
The operators enjoy operating them, nice and smooth, powerful.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's done about 2,500 hours now. And yeah, it's a weapon. It takes the knocks and has a hard life hanging on the steep all day long. But yeah, she's a good wee number. It's a nice cosy cab and good aircon, and it's nice and quiet in there, which too I like. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a big focus of us in the last couple of years to upgrade our fleets. Just yeah, reduces R&M and whatnot, and reliability. We've been sticking with Volvo in the last 3 or 4 years, so yeah, TransDiesel, they're good communicators. Yeah, when we need stuff done, they're there to help. Yeah, they're competitive in the market and they supply good products, so what more can you ask?